In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all the websites that you visited on your Google Chrome browser. So if you want maybe to find a website that you visited and you can't remember it, you can go ahead and look for this in your Google Chrome history. Now, there are two ways you can access Google Chrome history. Now, one of the ways is you just type here Chrome and then :/ and then / and history. And then go ahead and enter. If you tap on enter, it will go ahead and list all your browsing history, and this will display all the websites you have ever visited, including the dates when you visited them. So you can identify the website that you are looking for, and once you find it, for instance, if I was looking for this, just go ahead and tap on it, and now you can access the website directly. Alternatively, if you want to access your history or your previous websites that you visited sometimes back, you can go ahead and tap on these three dots, and then from here look for the option called history, and history is here. Under it we have history. If you go ahead and tap on it, this will also list all the websites that you visited, including the time when you visited them and the date when you visited them. You can scroll down the list and find the website that you want, and then tap on it to visit the website directly. So if you have been wondering how you can get the website that you visited previously, that's how you can do it. From here, you can also clear your browser history. If you want to clear or to clean up your Google Chrome browser, you can go ahead and tap on delete browsing data. And when you tap on this, you can go ahead and select the time range under which you want to delete all the data on your Google Chrome browser, and select it, and then go ahead and delete data. So that's how you find your previous history on Google Chrome. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.